burrito, 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 burrito. Well, thank you.
This is a Merciaria glomerata right here. Some camu. Those big leaves, that's some sort of giant passion fruit. Some ginger. Mango. Turmeric. Another mango. Some sort of jackfruit thing right there. I don't feel like going in here right now. Sour, I don't know. That might be avocado or something. Soursop. Imbe from Africa. Potato. Go ahead and like and subscribe. And then some people say that post notifications are a good idea to like turn on, and those people are correct.